You get a lot of calls for fundraisers. I do. It's amazing how many people will reach out to us to bring our services to help out people in need, or fundraisers for what this thing or the other thing, or whatever. And for some people, it's the bane of their existence because they don't really have a lot of gigs as it is, and now they're doing something free, or they're being asked to do it for free or for exposure. Exposure. Don't ever do something for exposure. It never works. Trust me, I've done famous people's stuff. I've done huge national events for exposure. You don't get exposure. Exposure doesn't pay your bills. But if you want to try it, go nuts. The thing is, though, people think that fundraisers will only do it for free. They will never pay, and that's just not the case. The reason they don't pay you is because they think the only way to save money on the event so that they can have more money at the end when they're trying to raise funds is to not spend money up on the front end, right? They get free stuff to give away or auction off, they get a free facility, they get a free DJ, they get free. That way all the profits they get, they can keep. Okay, well, the one thing that you have in your pocket that others don't is that because you're a part of it, you can be sure that they make more. Going back to an old episode that I talked about promises, when I do fundraisers, I do them for money, okay? And the reason that they pay me to do fundraisers is because I can promise that their percentages of the amount of money that they made last year will go up by at least 20% because I'm attached to it. I say that every single time. What is that worth to them? It's worth a lot. Okay, I get my full fees on a regular basis doing fundraisers, and all I have to do is now work with them and collaborate with them around ways that having me be a part of it will actually make them more money. It works the same way with the bar business. Look, the motivation of bar owners is that they want to make more money. They'll pay you more. They don't have to, because you're not doing anything to make them more money, sell more drinks, sell more food, get more appetizers, ring their tills. You do that for them, and they'll give you lots more money. Okay, same thing with a fundraiser. If you can be sure that you being attached to it makes them more money, then you can charge whatever you want. You can. Trust me on this. You just haven't think about it, or think about it. You haven't thought about it this way, or think about it. So if you want to know more about it, just give. Actually, it's really more of a not like looking into it as much as just thinking about it a different way. Okay, which is what Creative License is all about. By the way, thanks again for Creative License and being a part of it. Thanks for taking care of my sponsor, Electro Voice. And if you want to know more about my workshop, reach out to me personally, bill@billherman.com. Until next time, I'll talk to you later from Creative License.